TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, since at that time the price couldn't break this low we mentioned. If we get any trade setup, we can look for buy. But the point was, since the price haven't broke this previous low, we mentioned if we wants to look for buy, any trade setup should be above this top, above this correction. And as we can see, the price broke, and now want to see. I mean, we want to see how we can look at this and how deep it can go. But what I can see from now, any reversal with the sharp move flag, we can look for buy. But the question is, can we expect one more correction similar to what we have here? Because can I don't think we can put this one relative to this. Okay, if the prices start to move as a corrective move, we can expect for running flat for one more drop. And right now we don't have any trade setup. If we want to look for buy, we need to get a continuation, at least flag or correction with the breakout of this stuff, we start to manage it. Okay, but the only thing is still this one can turn to a correction. We need to be aware of this if we want to look for buy, because we want to see how deep it can go. By the way, first we start with higher time frame. Before we move to higher time frame, just I want to point on this two. If we put these two in relative to each other, we can see we have a divergence, but the MACD doesn't show us. We have two different results. Okay, that's why still we can expect the correction for one more drop. All right, anyway, we move to higher time frame, we move to daily chart. We have nothing based on daily chart. The only thing is when we had this sharp move, we mentioned if we want to good continuation, we need to get the correction. But as we can see, the price dropped quite a lot, and we have, I mean, we don't have any we cannot look for any trade setup here. And in this case, we move to forward chart, and as we can see, based on forward chart, we get this down move. The only thing is right now we can say if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. This is the similar to, I mean, what I explained based on 1 hour chart. But if this one turn to a corrective, this is where we can look for price to drop. That means this correction can be more complex. I mean, it can be more deep, move for deeper correction before we get the reversal. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, the only thing is still we can expect, because both of them doesn't each of them give us a different result. That's why still we can expect for the correction for running flat. Either we get one more drop, we can look for reversal, or even if we get a continuation, any flag correction with the sharp move, we can look for buy. But with the breakout of the stop, we have to start to manage. Okay, even maybe we point on this what we get here, it depends. Okay, but right now we don't have anything, and we cannot either buy or sell. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.